Now we took everything out of the package. Look at all the tools we have. The tools themselves, the main components are stainless. The outer part of the multi-tool, that's aluminum based material. Stainless knife, knife sharpener, key ring, look, scissors, screwdrivers, everything. Here you have a hex wrench, bottle opener. Look at those sizes. All this for $9. Probably on sale now for a lot less. Search around the clearance aisles and you can get what you need for a simple EDC, reasonable price, less than a hamburger, fries, and a drink.